Good afternoon, dear children. So today in this video we are going to discuss about the PPF only, but today we will basically see the change that is taking place in your production possibility frontier. So in our previous video we discussed about the PPF and PPC, they are same, so its properties and the exceptional cases, isn't it? So PPF is concave because of the increasing MRT, it is a straight line because when MRT constant, and it is convex because of decreasing MRT. So today we will basically see this change. Okay, so how change in PPF is taking place. So as you all know that children, production possibility frontier is based on the assumption that the resources of the economy are fixed. Okay, however, in this changing world, the productive capacity of an economy is constantly changing due to increase or decrease in resources, either increase in resources or either decrease in resources. On the basis of that only, the capacity, the productive capacity of the economy is changing. So such changes in resources leads to change in your PPF as well. Okay, so because of the change in the resources, there is a change in PPF as well. So the change in PPF indicate either an increase or decrease in the productive capacity of the economy. So that change is basically what the change is showing, either there is an increase in the productive capacity of the economy or there is a decrease in the productive capacity of the economy. So the change in PPF can be of two types. So first is the shift in PPF. So PPF will shift where there is a change in productive capacity. So productive capacity means the resources or the technology with respect to both the goods. As you all know that in the PPF we are measuring two goods, for example gun and the butter in the x-axis, gun in the y-axis. So the PPF will shift when there is change in the productive capacity. That means the resources or technology is changing with respect to both the good, that is with respect to gun also and with respect to butter also. So in that case the shift in PPF will take place. And another is the rotation. So rotation will rotate, the PPF will rotate when there is a change in productive capacity, resources or technology with respect to only one good. For example, when there is a change in resource and technology of butter only, the PPF will rotate, and when there is a change in resources and technology with respect to only gun, then PPF will rotate on the side where the gun is being measured. Okay, so first we will see the shift, how the shift is taking place. So the PPF can shift either towards right or towards left when there is change in resources and technology, when there is a change in resources and technology with respect to both the good. Okay, suppose for example when there is a rightward shift in PPF. Suppose if you see in this diagram children, butter is being measured in the x-axis, gun are being measured on the y-axis. Suppose the original PPF is the curve PP. Now the PPF is shifting to rightward to P1. So the rightward shift in PPF takes place when there is a advancement or upgradation of technology and or growth of resources in respect to both the good, then PPF will shift to the right. Okay, so this is a shift, rightward shift. For example, if there is increase in the resource of production of butter and gun, we can produce more of both the goods. In such cases, the existing PPF, your PP curve, will shift to rightward, presented by P1. Okay children, so this is the shift in PPF, rightward shift, when there is an upgradation of technology or growth in technology with respect to both the good, then the PPF will shift to rightward. Next is the, like for example, the growth of resources takes place where there is a quantity of resources increases, the discovery of new resources, inflow of foreign capital is there, that's why the resources are growing, increase in the labor force, that's why resources are growing. Okay, the quality of resources can increase because of the skill development of the human resources. Okay, so various reasons might be there because of the growth of the resources. Okay, that's why the PPF is changing. So the growth should be with respect to both the goods, x-axis, butter also as well as gun also. So this is the rightward shift. Now we'll see about the leftward shift in PPF. So PPF will shift towards left when there is a technology degradation or decrease in resources with respect to both the good. For example, destruction of resources in an earthquake. Suppose earthquake takes place, natural calamities, isn't it? So because of that there is a destruction of resources, then that will reduce the productive capacity of the economy, and as a result your PPF will shift to leftward from PP to the existing PPF PPF was PP, now it shifted leftward to P1, P1. So this is a leftward shift in the PPF. So why leftward shift taking place? Because there is a degradation in the resources and technology with respect to both the goods. Suppose for example, the natural calamity takes place like earthquake, flood, tsunami. So because of that, there is a decrease in the resources. As a result, the productive capacity of the economy decreases. Okay, so that is the leftward shift in the PPF. Now we'll see about the rotation of PPF. Okay, this the thing we just discussed this just now was the shift in PPF, either rightward shift or the leftward shift. Okay, so shift is taking place with respect to both the good. Next we'll see the rotation of PPF. Okay, so it happens when there is a change in productive capacity, that means resources or technology with respect to only one good. So the rotation can be either in the x-axis or on the y-axis. Suppose let's take first the rotation of commodity on the x-axis. So as you all know that in the x-axis we are measuring butter, isn't it? So when there is a technological improvement or increase in the resources for production of the commodity on the x-axis, say butter, then the PPF will rotate from AB2. Suppose for example, if you see this one curve, okay, so this is our rotation of PPF in the x-axis. So the old PPF was AB, but it is shifting to rightward to AC because there is a upgradation in the technology in the production of butter. That's why it is shifting to rightward. Suppose when is a degradation or decrease in the resources or the productive capacity with respect to butter, the PPF will rotate to leftward. So this is the rotation of the PPF when there is a change in technology or the change in the productive capacity of with respect to only butter. Okay, so for this is the rotation of PPF on the x-axis. Suppose similarly the rotation, if you see the rotation of rotation for commodity on the y-axis, so this is the suppose if you see the figure 1.10, then you will see that BA is our original PPF. Now it is shifting to BC because there is rightward shift because there is a upgradation or improvement in the technology in terms of gun. So that's why it is shifting to rightward to BC. Now it is shifting to BD, leftward shift, because there is a case of degradation in technology or decrease in resources of gun. Okay, so resources in terms of gun is decreasing. That's why it will be rotating to DB. So this is the rotation of PPF in terms of the rotation will be takes place either with respect to the goods that are being measured on the x-axis or with respect to the goods that are being measured on the y-axis. So shift takes place with respect to both the good, but rotation takes place with respect to only one good. So when the PPF is rotating in the x-axis, then you need to understand it is there is either improvement or either upgradation or degradation in terms of the goods that is there in the x-axis only. And when PPF is rotating on the y-axis, then you should know that there is a upgradation or degradation with respect to the goods that is being measured in the y-axis only. Okay, so this is called the rotation of PPF. So if you see the quick overview of this PPF, then you can see that the PP is the original curve. So the economy will operate on the PPF. Inside the PPF also it will operate. They are called alternable combination, but outside the PPF it will not operate. Okay, so rightward shift, leftward shift. Why there is taking place rightward shift? Why there is a leftward shift taking places? What are the reasons? Okay, you should be knowing that. So for the quick overview of this thing, you can go through this point overview of the PPF. Okay, children. So this is about the shift in the PPF. So shift is taking place either in terms of the rotation or change in PPF. Change in PPF is taking place either a shift in PPF or the rotation of PPF. So shift taking place with respect to both the good, rotation takes place with respect to only one good. Okay, children. So this is about the change in PPF. So how the PPF is changing.